right, folks, here is my review. I'm just maiden it. I mean, it's been reviewed by pros, not by hacks. My review of the GOOSKY S1 RTF from Heli Direct. Soon, whatever you do, all switches are forward before you fire up the remote. Then as soon as you can, you engage this. This is your best friend in heli life, always towards you. Alrighty. Oh my God, this comes as an RTF. It's so nice. The carrying case is durable. When you want to go show off that you could fly to your friends and somebody accidentally sits on your expensive remote or knocks it over, you'll love it. All right, so this is it. I did go ahead and get the pink tail and tail blades from Heli Direct as well. Thank you for your service, David and Patrick. Just to brighten it up, and I did the white canopy to mute it. They do come in really bright version canopy. I kind of wish I had the bright green now to go with this. There's normal modes, there's expert modes. If you're normal, a new guy, I'll explain it to you in a separate video. Right now I'm just gonna fire it up in medium rate, 70%, 75, no stability, idle up 1. That's when you start at mid pitch. Oh yeah, this is reliable, I trust it, you see. Wow. I think this just gave like indoor flying a new meaning, huh? As Pilot Ryan would say, let's give us some presentation here. I'm not good enough to turn it sideways inverted for you without running into myself. Wow, I fly so good, and that's just on idle up 1. Okay. You should set a timer for your telephone, which I now for the second time forgot to do. You'll find out as a novice when your thing starts beeping and your batteries aren't as good as they used to. It's because you overcycle them. So definitely be nice to your only 2 batteries. Wow, sounds like silk basically. Man, I can't believe this exists. Now OMP makes a contender product to this, both in the 100 and the 200 size, which I'm anxious to try, but I went ahead and got this. You know, I'm gonna say there's other vendors I love anything heli for my Gowie, but boy, Heli Direct sure makes it easy to spend that money. Oh, flying behind the flight line, huh? And it's still in medium rate. You know what, I mean, I'm sure it's a lot punchier and touchier. I just want to see, this is high head speed only because it sounds so smooth. This is a cool Cool sound. I'm such a hack, oh my god. Anyways, yeah, just go get one. You know, you have a car, you have a trunk, keep it in there. Keep you from staring at your phone the whole time. And get your motor skills moving. I mean, I recommend, you know, a rock crawler and one of these when you go camping, and whoa, that's gonna be nice times just sitting around. If you are bent on using your phone like most people, good thing for you, because you get to adjust the parameters using your phone. There's an app for it. Really, I'm gonna fly it bone stock. I don't know anything about this app or adjustment thing, but those of you that know how to use a computer, unlike me, will kind of enjoy it. It's really good. You really should buy one of these from Heli Direct and thank me, because I'm not just telling you to buy one. I'll help you learn how to fly if you are never ever. And with these things, oh my god, you don't need to spend a bunch of time on the simulator. This is absolute cheating. Just a regret for having started so early in heli flying. Okay, I hope this does it for you guys. But really, yeah, you cannot beat this. It comes with 2 batteries. Wow. I'm like, oh my god. Bye bye. Go to Heli Direct. Thank you, Patrick. Thank you, David.